In this video, I will show you how to use the Thermo and the Thermo gloves. So I have the device over here. To turn on the device, I will click the recall button until I see a text displaying on the LCD. As follow, I see oral temperature. I know that the device is working. From there, I either use the mobile app on a mobile phone, a tablet, on the computer, or even a web-based version of the app. You can see one of our other video where you can download or use these apps. From there, I want to hit the wing, the Enough to Learn app. And from here, I want to select Connect. From there, I see all the devices that are available. I already see the Thermo. I don't need to wait until the search bar ends. The moment that I see the Thermo, I can secure the connection here by selecting the chain icon. From there, I can send the reading. If I want to use the temperature in Fahrenheit, I leave it as it is. If I want to switch it for Celsius, all I need to do is to click on the little pen, select Celsius, and from there, I can send the reading, let's say 36, and I click the send button. It will show directly on the device. Now, if I go back on the device, you can switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit simply by hitting the C to F button. Or I can switch the mode. By default, I'm in oral mode, but I can switch to adult auxiliary, pet auxiliary, and go back to oral. Naturally, the thermometer is equipped with a probe that has been modified in order to be compatible with Welch Allyn or Hill-Rom probe covers. But it works exactly the same way. You can expulse it and then put it back in the device. This device is not available with a sensor. So the only way to use the preset or the scenario feature is to be equipped with the SP Thermo trigger. This little guy over here. I'll show you in another video how to do the pairing and how to use the SP Thermo trigger. Thank you.